What up guys, so it's just a quick video. I've just realised the fuse in my Mondeo, Ford Mondeo 2009 diesel isn't working. Just going to show you where the fuse is for the cigarette lighter. So here we go. So the fuse box is in the passenger side footwell. I'll put the fuse box down, and on the left side here, if you count 10 up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, that one there, that's the broken fuse, I'm assuming. So I'm going to pop that out now. As you can see, it is broken. I don't know if you can see that there. It's meant to be a 15 in there. I've only got a 20, so that'll be fine. So I'm just going to replace that. Right, that's in. So now let's just check that it works. So this should turn on now, and it doesn't. Oh yeah, the front one on this is actually broke, I believe, so it has to be the back one. Yeah, there we go. The front one on mine is knackered anyway. I forgot about that. So yeah, it is the 10th one up on the left. Ford Mondeo 2009. And I'm assuming that'll be all the way up on this model. This is the mk4, I think. So it'll be all the way up to 2015 or whenever they brought the new one out. So yeah, I hope that helped you guys. Cheers.